HealthTech Ghana Limited continues to strengthen the radiology department at the 37 Military Hospital with state-of-the-art diagnostic imaging solutions through our public-private partnership, PPP, with the Ghana Ministry of Defense. As part of this commitment, we have successfully installed the Philips DigitalDiagnost C90, which is a ceiling-mounted X-ray system at the facility. This marks our second X-ray system installation at the hospital. The system will ease pressure on the existing one while expanding the hospital's capacity to serve more patients. We have also conducted a comprehensive training for the clinical team to ensure that their radiographers and clinicians can fully utilize the system for fast, accurate and efficient diagnostic imaging.
My name is Marsha Rooskrans. I'm the CT and DXR application specialist for Philips. So I've been working here in Ghana for the past 2 weeks. So this week I spent my time at the 37 Military Hospital. We have done the training for the C90, which is our X-ray machine, premium brand. So on the X-ray machine, we've trained the radiographers on how to use our user interface, which is the same across all our modalities. Thus it made the training easier since the customer had our previous X-ray machine as well. This speaks to the vision and the mission of Philips, which is to improve 2.5 billion lives by the year 2030. And I'm honored to be a part of that mission. And I'm glad that the radiographers can now use our systems for the radiologists to make decision-making and then also to improve the clinical diagnosis for our patients.
I am Martin Nodu Frimpong. I'm a radiographer at 37 Military Hospital. I just took part in the Philips DigitalDiagnost C90 training. I can say that the machine is a robust machine, and then looking at the workload here, it's really going to make work flexible and very easy.
I am Steven Dente, a diagnostic radiographer at the 37 Military Hospital. We just had training on the digital diagnostic C90 equipment from Philips. It is very flexible to use and it will enhance and improve patient experience. Thank you.